Hi, welcome to Yo-Yo Times. The Supreme Court will today hear Rajasthan Assembly Speaker C.P. Joshi's petition against the High Court order restraining him from conducting disqualification proceedings against 19 dissident Congress MLAs including Sachin Pilot till Friday. Seeking an interim stay on the Rajasthan High Court's July 21st order, the plea said it was the duty of the top court to ensure that all constitutional authorities exercise their jurisdiction within the boundaries and respect their respective Lakshman Rekha as envisaged by the Constitution itself. Sachin Pilot has also filed a caveat in the Supreme Court to ensure that no orders are passed on the Joshi's petition until the camp of dissident MLAs are heard out. Addressing a press conference during the day, Joshi said he wanted to the apex court to avert what he called a constitutional crisis. The speaker has the right to disqualify MLAs. No one can interfere in the speaker's decision, he said, adding that whatever judgment the court has given, I have respected till now. Joshi challenged the Rajasthan High Court's July 21st order, which said the verdict on the petition filed by the 19 MLAs challenging the disqualification notices will be pronounced on July 24th and asked him to defer the disqualification proceedings till then. The proceedings under the 10th schedule, which deals with the disqualification of lawmakers before the speaker, are proceedings of legislature and as such cannot interfere with as reportedly held by this court as envisaged under Article 212, read with the paragraph of the 10th schedule of the plea said. Pilot and 18 dissident Congress MLAs has challenged their disqualification notices in the High Court. The notices to the MLAs were served after the party complained to the speaker that the legislators had alleged defied a whip to attend two Congress legislature party meetings on Monday and Tuesday last week. The Pilot camp, however, has argued that a party whip applies only when the assembly is in session. In its complaint to the Legislative Assembly Speaker, the Congress had sought action against Pilot and other descendants under paragraph 2(1)(a) of the 10th schedule of the Constitution. Pilot was sacked as Deputy Chief Minister and the President of the state unit of the party after he rebelled against Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Meanwhile, following a reprieve from the Rajasthan High Court in the slugfest with Gehlot, Pilot served a legal notice to Congress MLA Giriraj Singh Malinga for his statement that the former Deputy CM has offered him money to join the BJP.